Hello everyone and welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into one of the best offerings for outdoor cooking enthusiasts. The professional flat-top griddle for Camp Chef Pro 60X. Whether you're a seasoned chef or a weekend grill master, this accessory promises to elevate your outdoor cooking experience to new heights. Let's start with what makes this griddle stand out. It's specifically designed to fit Camp Chef 14 and 16 cooking system stoves, including models like the EX60LW, EX60P, and more. This means seamless compatibility and ease of use right out of the box. Crafted from heavy-duty steel, this griddle ensures even heat distribution and is built to withstand high temperatures. Perfect for consistent cooking results. Available in multiple sizes, from 14 by 16 to 16 by 38. You can choose the one that best suits your cooking needs. The 14 by 16 model, for instance, offers ample space for preparing multiple dishes simultaneously. Featuring a unique design with a recessed cooking surface and a convenient grease drain, cleanup is a breeze. Plus, the inlaid handles make it easy to transport this griddle wherever your outdoor adventures take you. Whether you're grilling burgers, pancakes, or stir-frying vegetables, the versatility of this griddle makes it a must-have for any outdoor cooking setup. Imagine the convenience of preparing a full breakfast or a hearty dinner outdoors, all on a surface that's easy to clean and built to last. That's the promise of the professional flat-top griddle from Camp Chef. In conclusion, if you're looking to take your outdoor cooking game to the next level, the professional flat-top griddle for Camp Chef Pro 60X is an investment worth considering. Its robust construction, thoughtful design, and compatibility with various Camp Chef stoves make it a standout choice for enthusiasts and professionals alike. Check out the link in the description below to get your hands on this fantastic griddle and start creating memorable outdoor culinary experiences today. Thank you for watching this episode of Product Critique. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more in-depth reviews and recommendations on the latest products in the market. Until next time, happy cooking!